My name is Ed Hall with the NPI team. Today we are going to review WaveLinx LITE 7.0 Occupancy Configuration in Standalone Mode. Now let's review some key occupancy configuration features. Open communication to configure the acoustic ceiling sensor. You'll want to first select the desired hold time. Hold time determines how long the system will delay once the sensor is no longer detecting occupancy before turning the load off. You can select 5, 10, or 20 from the drop-down, or select Other and type in the minutes from 1 to 40, and then tap the check mark to save the entered time. Now on to the PIR sensitivity. Use the drop-down to select between low and high. Use low if a sensor is turning lights on when motion is detected outside of the desired area. Switch to high to regain the full motion sensing range. You can also adjust the acoustics operation. The acoustic sensor will operate after the PIR sensor has signaled initial occupancy. If enabled, both technologies will operate together to determine if the space is still occupied to keep lighting on. If disabled, the sensor will use only the PIR technology. You can adjust the acoustic sensitivity. Use the acoustic sensitivity drop-down to select how sensitive the acoustic detection should be. Choose between very low, low, medium, high, and very high. Now let's review some advanced occupancy settings. The next three features will be under the advanced settings. There's a sensor feature. If enabled, the sensor will operate with the displayed settings. If disabled, the sensor will be placed in override mode and the lighting load will turn on, bypassing all sensor functionality. There's a sensor LED indicator feature. Leave enabled to allow the sensor LEDs to operate, verifying sensor operation. Set to disabled to turn off the LEDs if they are a distraction in the area. There's a vacancy mode feature. Note you will only want to use this for low voltage model sensors connected to a GMDS W switch. Regardless of the setting, the lighting will turn off when motion is no longer detected and the defined hold time expires. If disabled, the lighting will turn on when the sensor detects initial motion. If enabled, the sensor will not turn on lighting upon the initial motion detection. The occupant must turn on loads manually using the GMDS switch wired between the sensor's brown lead and the switchback's black lead. Thank you for reviewing the WaveLinx LITE 7.0 Occupancy Configuration in Standalone Mode presentation, and I hope this has been educational.